Are you a Floridian struggling to afford homeowners insurance? It may surprise you that when it comes to decisions about how to address property insurance in Florida, Governor Ron DeSantis has been putting the interests of his big money donors in the insurance industry above cash-strapped residents of his state. This is according to research from a coalition of labor unions and nonprofits, including the American Federation of Teachers, the Nonprofit Center for Popular Democracy, the voting rights group Florida Rising, and the dark money watchdog Hedge Clippers. In their report, How Ron DeSantis Sold Out Florida Homeowners, the authors explain how insurance companies have been the financial underwriters of DeSantis' rise to the governor's mansion and may have influenced his decision-making. It has been well documented that DeSantis and friends of Ron DeSantis, a political action committee associated with the governor, have received a total of $3.9 million from the insurance industry, and that number triples when including donations to the Republican Party of Florida since DeSantis took office. Two property casualty insurance firms additionally donated a combined $125,000 to DeSantis's 2023 inaugural celebration, which marked the beginning of his final term as governor. This might explain why the governor's administration has chosen to provide taxpayer-funded insurance subsidies to the industry and why they have stripped policyholders of their right to sue insurance companies to recover legal fees when they refuse to honor legitimate claims. Home insurance is a critical issue in Florida, where vulnerable communities face increasing risks from hurricanes, floods, and other weather considerations. Many Floridians have seen increasing insurance prices, with an average 40% increase expected this year, according to the Insurance Information Institute. For some, the prices are sky-high. Tracy N. Brown of Miami told CBS News, "The prices are horrendous. Our insurance went up to $1,800 per month and I could not afford it with my husband's salary and my salary put together." Despite an environment of diminishing and increasingly unaffordable coverage, the Florida Office of Insurance Regulation is overwhelmed by industry insiders who rubber stamp applications for insurance price hikes at higher rates than were admitted under previous governors. For all these reasons, researchers compare Florida's ailing insurance industry with Louisiana's robust property casualty insurance market and suggest that DeSantis's decision-making favors the insurance industry over everyday Floridian residents who are already struggling to stay alive in their homes. Debates are already brewing regarding the governor's likely 2024 presidential bid. Former President Trump leads the Republican charge with 58% of the vote, followed by DeSantis at 22%, according to a recent CBS News YouGov poll. Knowing what we now know about Governor DeSantis prioritizes the insurance industry over his people, it's time to ask, who is Ron DeSantis really serving? The people of Florida or big money donors?